All right, let's get right into it. We're going to break down a shockingly simple formula powered by AI for making YouTube videos that can go absolutely massively viral. And this isn't about getting lucky. This is a system, a formula you can actually repeat.
So picture this. You've got a brand new channel. You've only put up, say, 16 videos. What are your expectations? A couple hundred subs maybe, if you're really lucky. Well, what if I told you 14,000 subscribers? Yeah, a channel using this exact format did that with just those 16 videos. And we're not talking about a few fluke hits. Every single video is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. Now that's what I call potential.
And you might be wondering, okay, what's the limit here? What's the ceiling? Well, it's way up there. We're talking 14 million views on one single video. Just to put that into perspective, that one video could have easily netted its creators something like 50 grand. The numbers are just staggering.
So, look, this isn't a one-off thing, not some lightning in a bottle. This is the power of something called an explainer video. And I know what you might be thinking. Explainer videos, aren't those kind of old news? Well, it turns out they're an absolute goldmine right now, especially when you use this very specific, very simple format.
So what exactly is an explainer video anyway? It's pretty straightforward. You take a topic, could be something really complex, and you just break it down. You chop it up into simple, easy-to-get pieces. And it usually follows this consistent visual style, which makes it super easy for you, the viewer, to keep up. And as we're about to find out, it makes it incredibly easy to make.
In this format, it works for just about anything. Seriously. We're seeing channels absolutely crush it by explaining complex tech, all the latest in gaming, breaking down weapons, analyzing business strategies, even animals, and the entire Marvel universe. It just goes to show you, people are hungry for this kind of clear, simple content, no matter the topic. Okay, so how do you come up with ideas for this? How do you turn this into a content machine? Well, here's the secret weapon. It's a ridiculously simple title template. Every blank explained.
I mean, just look at how this works. Let's say you're into photography. You could do every type of camera explained. Boom. Next video, every camera lens explained. Or maybe you're into fashion. Every type of hat explained. Then, every type of sneaker explained. You see? It spins off into this endless web of proven video ideas.
All right, to make this super clear, we're going to walk through a real example for the rest of this. Let's pick a topic from the food world. Every country's tea explained. It's a perfect case study, because we already know people are searching for this kind of stuff.
Okay, now here's where things get really, really cool. We're going to plug in AI to be our content engine. Seriously. With just a few good prompts, you can get AI to do all the heavy lifting, all the boring, time-sucking parts of making a video, from the idea itself to the script to the visuals. We're talking about 4 key steps here. 1. The AI can generate the video idea for you. 2. It'll write the entire script. 3. It can create a really good, human-sounding voiceover. And 4. It'll even design that all-important, super clickable thumbnail. And you're probably thinking these AI prompts must be super complicated, right? Nope. Let's just take the thumbnail because it's the visual key to everything. The prompt is literally just 2 things. First, you tell it how many items are in your video. For our tea example, that's 10. Second, you just list out the names of those items. Tea from China, tea from India, and so on. That is it. The AI handles everything else.
So, okay, we've got our script, we've got our voiceover, and we have that awesome thumbnail. Time to actually put the video together. And the philosophy here is simple. Keep it clean, keep it fast. You don't need any fancy editing tricks for this.
And this is the absolute key to the whole editing style. That thumbnail the AI made, it's not just for getting people to click. It's the visual anchor for the whole video. The entire edit is just you moving a virtual camera across that one single image, guiding the viewer's eye from one point to the next. And the animation itself is dead simple. In your editing software, you just set a starting point on the full thumbnail. Then you move forward a little bit in time, like 20 frames, and then you just zoom and slide over to whatever you're talking about. So if the voiceover mentions Chinese tea, you zoom right in on that part of the image. It's a basic move, but it keeps things moving.
Really, the whole video is just a few layers stacked like a sandwich. Your bottom layer is just a plain white background. On top of that, you put your animated thumbnail. Then you sprinkle in some other pictures or video clips that match what you're saying.
You add some simple black text on top of that, yes, sometimes even Comic Sans, believe it or not, for that classic vibe. And finally, you tuck in some quiet background music underneath it all.
All right, let's just recap the whole thing. We've taken a simple idea, run it through a clear, step-by-step formula, and used AI tools to build a full video from the ground up.
And you might be wondering, is the AI script any good? Well, listen to this. This is a direct quote from our tea script about Indian tea. It says, "Indian tea is bold, strong, and deeply woven into daily life, often boiled with milk, sugar, and spices, turning it into a comforting, energizing staple." See? It's not just a dry list of facts. The AI is actually writing a story. It's got flavor.
So, there you have it, the complete formula, boiled down to 4 simple rules. 1. Pick a niche that works with that every explain title. 2. Use those simple AI prompts to get your script and thumbnail. 3. Make that thumbnail the star of your edit. It's your visual guide. And 4. Keep the visuals clean. Just simple layers on a white background. That's the whole recipe for viral success.
Look, this system is ridiculously efficient, and the results, they speak for themselves. It clearly works. But it does leave you with a pretty big question, doesn't it? If making a viral hit becomes this simple, this formulaic, with AI doing most of the work, what does that mean for real human creativity on platforms like YouTube?